I first got Merlin about 20 months ago, I did a lot of upgrades to him. If you look back at the YouTube video Wizard in the Wild Merlin on the Drive, you'll see the sort of thing I was doing then. One of the things that I did at that time was to fit what's called a DC to DC charger. This video is not about installing one, it's about just how useful they are to you and what it actually means in the real world. Rightly so, there's a lot of talk about solar energy, but here I want to show you just what is possible in the depths of winter when in fact solar is virtually non-existent. A DC to DC controller is sometimes called a B2B controller. As I said, I'm not covering the installation in this video, just the benefits of having one. So I just want to demonstrate to you just what is possible. On this particular trip we arrived during the night, and during that evening we used lighting, we charged devices, we used our fridge, which was pretty full of food that Elliot put in, and we even did some cooking on electric. So we caned the batteries quite heavily. And this was our overnight view that we couldn't see yesterday. Very nice peaceful sound last night. Was a lot of rain though.
It got windy as well, didn't it?
Yeah.
At one point.
Yeah.
Luna wasn't having any of that, was she? Straight on the bed.
Yeah. As you can see, it was a pretty grim morning, and in fact our batteries were down to 78.5%, and you can see there the minus 3.2 is the fridge still working. Ready to go. Now, for demonstration purposes, at the moment I have the DC to DC turned off, but you can see that the supplied system without the DC to DC is giving 8.9 amps current to the leisure batteries. I'm now going to get my beautiful assistant to turn around in her seat and turn the DC to DC on, which she's now done, and you can now see it's 35.4 amps. In anybody's books, that is a major improvement.
Looking out for a Scotland sign, it can't be far down. There's a note about something to do with camper vans back there.
Was there?
Yeah, I don't know what it said.
After approximately 2 to 2.5 hours driving, as you can see, the battery is at 100%. There's no way that solar or the alternator on its own would have managed to do that. So for me, the DC to DC is absolutely brilliant. I've deliberately kept this video very simple, but if you've got any questions, just put them in the comments below.